Hello student, today we will discuss about the stability of diene. What do you mean by diene? Means that in the straight chain there are at least two double bonds. So they can be continuous, they can be alternate, or they can be isolated. Okay, so there are three types of diene can be present. What does it mean? When in a single straight chain of carbon, if there are two double bonds are present, then it is called diene. Okay, so see here, I have taken some example. Here I have made more, but don't worry about it. To make easy concept for you, I have made this. So diene means only two double bonds are there. This is separate one. This is not here. Okay, so correct order of stability of dienes are conjugated diene, isolated diene, and then cumulated diene. Why I have given you this? Because sometimes in the reactions conc H2SO4, when we are putting in any alcohol, so there can be formation of alkene. We know this, but if already one double bond is present in the chain, then what will happen? So of course second double bond will come. So where it will come, why it will come, that we will discuss. Okay, now see here. First, I will give you tips why it is more, then we'll discuss about the examples. See here, this is alternate double bonds are there, double bond, single bond, then double bond. So this is called alternate double bonds. That is called conjugate dienes. Means those alkenes, alkadienes we can say, those alkadienes which are having alternate double bonds are called conjugated dienes. Those alkynes, alkadienes which are having they are having two double bonds, but they are far away from each other, so no delocalization of pi electron. Here when they are in conjugation with each other, alternate bonds are present, there will be delocalization of pi electrons. Clear? See here, I have made this structure, this. So there is conjugation of this. This is sp2, this is sp2, this is sp2, and this is also sp2. Very effective overlapping of occurs there. That is why it is highly stable. So when we'll go for diene preparation, then we will think about it, whether this cumulated diene will form, conjugated diene will be formed, or isolated diene will be formed. See, isolated diene, as I told you, that these two double bonds are not just adjacent to each other or alternately present. They are far away from each other. Clear? So there is no delocalization of electrons. So it is more stable as compared to cumulated diene, but it is less stable than conjugated diene. Now what is cumulated dienes? Means all these double bonds are one after another. Double bond, then double bond. If I am saying diene, so I have to make actually like this only. Okay, this is correct. When we are saying about diene, this is other example, another example. Because why I have written this? Because sometimes they are asking, hybridization of the carbon. They will make a star and they will ask what is the hybridization of these carbons. So see, this is sp2 hybridized carbon, this is sp2 hybridized carbon, but these two are sp hybridization. That is why I made this. If I am talking about diene, I have to make only one, the top one. But I have seen this example, so it was in my mind, so I did it also. Okay, so then when they will ask, find out the sp or hybridization of 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes they are giving numbers. So which hybridization is there? So this is sp2 hybridized. This is sp2 hybridized, means far corner they are sp2 hybridized, but they are in between where on both the side double bonds. Then this carbon will be sp hybridized. Clear to you? And cumulated diene means there will double bond after double bond will be coming over here. So these are also called allenes. Okay, not alliens, allenes. Now sp hybridized carbon least stable, so has two successive double bond. Here we are saying two successive double bond. Clear to you? What does it mean? This middle carbon is sp hybridized. This corner one sp2, this corner sp2. Clear to you? I think you go through it and you will find out it is very easy. Now I will discuss one example here. See, you have to draw this and write down all the points first. See here, I made this structure for you. There is here conc H2SO4 react with this alcohol, product will be formed, and they have given you 1, 2, 3 options, and none of these are correct. See here, I made, that is why I have given you idea about conjugated diene, cumulated and isolated diene. See here, this is cumulated diene just after each other, so there it is less stable, it will not form. And then here it can be trans or it can be cis. So anyone can be occur, but at that moment we know about this, that trans alkenes and dienes are more stable as compared to cis. Why it is so? In cis there is steric hindrance. They are, the groups are on the same side, so there is steric hindrance, so they don't like to, make this. That is why this are far away, the groups are far away from each other, so it is more stable, and through due to delocalization of pi electron, resonance energy and hybridization energy, everything will work on trans. So we can write down like this. Okay, just wait. We can write down like this, or we as I have written in the top, we can write down like this also. Why I have used these two structures? Because sometimes they are writing the right side, sometimes they are writing it left side, so no need to worry about it. You have to see whether it is trans or cis. That's it. Okay, cumulative dienes are out. Isolated dienes are not here. Here cis and trans, and they have given cis and trans as well as they have given cumulated. So at that time you have to select the trans, and it is, what is this? This is conjugated diene, and we discussed this. That conjugated dienes are more stable. Conjugated. See, this is also conjugated diene. This is also conjugated diene. Cis and trans both are conjugated diene. Clear to you? I am not doing IUPAC naming because we are discussing about stability of dienes. So trans butadiene, not but, it is, we have to see again. We have gone for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so accordingly means pentadiene it is. So 2, 3, 4, 2,4 pentadiene, and this is methoxy group, and this is methyl group. Don't go for IUPAC naming because all the time we have not to go for this. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best.